Over the past few months, we have witnessed the launch of the groundbreaking ChatGPT and a host of other incredible AI tools. The amazing thing about new technologies like this is that if you're smart, you can turn them into insanely profitable business ideas and generate some pretty attractive passive income online for yourself. In today's video, I'm going to be revealing 6 best AI business ideas that can easily make you up to $3,000 every single week with no skill and no experience needed. These AI business ideas have helped a lot of people generate free passive income online, without doing any hard work, without skills, and with little or no cost at all. So sit tight and follow this video till the end, as this would be your key to making money with AI. Let's dive in. The first AI business idea is image upscaling. Let me explain in case you've never heard about this. There are some times where you want to enlarge an image with a low resolution. Doing this makes the image look blurry and distorted. Image upscaling takes care of that problem by increasing the resolution of the image, making it a lot sharper and more detailed. Got it? Good. It will shock you to know just how much regular people like you make every day offering this as a service online. Let's go to Fiverr and do a bit of the math. Look at this particular seller who has completed over 1,000 orders at $15 per order. That should give you an idea of the amount of free money you could be making doing this. Of course, this could be more, but you get the idea. There's a pretty high demand for image upscaling right now. If you don't have a Fiverr account yet, go over to the platform right now and create one absolutely free of charge. It's the best way for clients to find you instead of breaking your back searching everywhere for them. But that's not the best part of this AI business idea. The best thing is that you don't even need to have any photo editing skills. You can just use AI to do this and keep all the profits for yourself. Just head to Upscale, an AI tool that lets you upscale any image in just a few seconds. Create your account for free, and voila! Once you get the gig from Fiverr, use Upscale to get the job done, deliver, and bag your profits. Second AI business idea, Amazon Kindle publishing. Every month, Amazon pays out millions of dollars to authors whose books are enrolled in Kindle Unlimited. This is called the KDP Select Global Fund. About 3 months ago in June, they paid out $47 million. In July, it was $54 million. Yeah, you probably had no idea about this gold mine. And you don't need to be a writer, as our good old AI friend ChatGPT will do all the hard work for us. The fastest way to profit from this would be to look into creating short guidebooks in a hot niche. Something like fitness, pets, self-development, or meal plans and recipes. Just go to ChatGPT and put in your prompt. For example, can you write a short book of meal plans for school lunches for busy parents? As you can see, ChatGPT goes ahead and writes a complete book for me. Next, you can take this, clean it up, and design a befitting book cover with Canva. Finally, join Kindle Direct Publishing, publish your book, and enroll in KDP Select. And boom! Publish guidebooks like this weekly, and in no time you will start receiving money from Amazon every month. The third AI business idea, creating YouTube thumbnails. If you're watching this video right now, then you already know what a thumbnail is. Thumbnails are very crucial when it comes to a YouTuber's click-through rate. So, a lot of YouTubers prefer to outsource this task to freelance graphic artists so they can make them more appealing. Now, let's head over to Fiverr and see just how much these freelancers make from creating thumbnails. Okay, look at this seller who has completed over 900 orders at $50 per order. Wow, that's massive! And you could make triple those figures with what I'm about to show you, and you don't even need any skills for this. All you need is an AI tool called Thumbly AI. This is a fantastic AI tool that helps you create YouTube thumbnails in mere seconds. All you need to do is provide a brief description of the video, and boom! Thumbly AI creates different thumbnail variations for you to choose from. Download and deliver to your client. Piece of cake! Number 4 AI business idea, Ghostwriting. A lot of individuals and businesses have fascinating stories to tell. Stories that they most times want to document and turn it into a book, but they don't have either the time or skills to turn these ideas into books. This is how ghostwriting started. As a ghostwriter, you can be hired to bring their visions to life by writing books, articles, speeches, and other kinds of content for these individuals and businesses anonymously. And you can make anywhere between $500 to $15,000 per book, article, or whatever it is. Nope, I'm not kidding. Don't take my word for it, see it for yourself right here. Look at how much freelancers charge on Fiverr for ghostwriting services. As you can see right here, this seller charges $1,000 per book. And check out how many orders she has completed so far. Crazy! Entrepreneurs, coaches, politicians, authors, and many more are all your potential clients. And of course, you don't need to write a single word yourself. Just go to ChatGPT, type in your prompt, and your article, blog post, or book will be ready in less than 5 minutes. All you need to do is edit, add value to what you got from ChatGPT, and don't just copy from ChatGPT and paste. Then add relevant images, deliver, and collect your profits. A great way to start is to create a brilliant portfolio where you can showcase your writing skills and then join and showcase your portfolio on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. A bonus tip I will give you is to niche down. You should decide on the particular niche or genre you want to focus your writing on and get very good at it instead of trying to be a jack of all trades. This one requires very minimal effort, but it is a surefire way to generate a passive income with AI. Number 5 AI business idea: writing social media captions. I know what you're thinking. Why would anyone pay you to write captions? Honestly, I'm still wondering the same thing. But it turns out that some people just don't know how or would rather pay someone than do it themselves. I was actually shocked to see how much freelancers charge for this on Fiverr. Freelancers are charging between $20 to $120 to write captions for social media. What's stopping you from hopping on this right now? You can literally go to ChatGPT, type in any description of the image or video, and ask for captions for any social media platform. You can niche down if you want, create your packages, maybe $5 for 10 captions, or however you like, and publish your gig on Fiverr and use ChatGPT to do all the work for you. Number 6 AI business idea: creating subtitles. More and more creators are now shifting towards using subtitles for video content on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and the rest. That's because they help people concentrate more and understand the video better, resulting to better engagements. Creating subtitles can be a very tedious task for creators. That's why they would rather outsource it to freelancers. Still in doubt? Check this out. Just check the amount of orders these freelancers are getting on the subtitles gig. The demand for this is out of the roof right now, so you should get in as soon as possible and start cashing out. An AI tool like Descript will generate subtitles for any video in mere seconds. All you need to do is just proofread and make sure everything adds up. Deliver and keep all the profits. Descript does have a free trial, so you can go right now, try it out, and see how it works. This is one very simple and lucrative way to generate a passive income with AI online, and you shouldn't sleep on this. Congratulations, you've made it this far. You don't need any skills to get started. You can start any of these AI businesses in just minutes and start cashing out big time. I hope you will be trying out some of the ideas I've shared in this video. If you enjoyed watching this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video, like, drop a comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.